Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. And today I am bringing you a video on a new product we just started carrying, which is the Steelmate SBS-2. Now, on the box, this says Steelmate SLC-2C, but on our website, we brand this as the SBS-2. What is this kit? Well, this is a 77 gigahertz microwave radar blind spot kit. So, not a super exciting product, but it is actually exciting for a couple of key reasons. The first reason it's exciting is because it uses this new single sensor design. This cube is the actual microwave radar sensor, and it's key because there's only one of them. All other sensor kits that we've installed that are microwave radar or ultrasonic blind spot kits always use two sensors. This one, the technology has been advanced that they only need one sensor to detect the left and right blind spots. The sensor gets mounted in the center of the vehicle, and then this control box here interprets what the sensor is receiving, and it outputs your warnings to these triangular shaped LED indicator lights. These would go on the left and right side of the dash and essentially would warn you of an obstacle in your blind spot. What's cool about this kit is it comes with these brackets. You can mount the sensor behind your bumper so that you don't see it, or if you have a vehicle that has steel bumpers, you can mount it like a reverse camera. Now, it is not a reverse camera. I just want to say you mount it like a reverse camera, and this sensor would hang basically on the back of your vehicle in the center like a backup camera, and it would give you essentially the following features. It gives you blind spot monitoring, active overtaking warnings, lane change warning, and ultra long distance detection up to 30 meters of detection. So exactly what this icon shows. This is a system to help you change lanes safely, and if there's a vehicle in your left or right side while you're changing lanes, it will warn you, aka a blind spot detection kit. So this is the box. You can see essentially here, it gives you some more explanation. Blind spot detection, BSD, closing vehicle warning. So if a vehicle is coming up behind you on your left or right side, it tells you that. And then active overtaking alert. When you're overtaking a vehicle, it lets you know when you're clear to go back into the lane. One of the things I also wanted to show you, this is the user guide. It's got very clear and concise manuals. Wiring that is required to be hooked up is turn signal, reverse light, clearance lamp, ground, turn signal, and then your sensor. So it's a pretty straightforward install. As you can see, you've got accessory power that needs to be hooked up, and then you've got your left and right displays. The control box is designed to be put in the trunk of the vehicle, and here is the wiring schematic just in a diagram there. I'm very impressed with the build quality. This is actually an aluminum case, heavy duty, and you can see the connectors are also very heavy duty for serviceability. And what's cool, single sensor design. That's something that I've never seen, and I'm very, very pumped about because this reduces the amount of installation time and complexity. So there you have it, the Steelmate SLC-2C, aka the SBS-2. We have it priced on our website, link below. If you could like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you or someone you know is looking for a microwave radar blind spot kit, which everybody should have on their vehicle if they don't already have it, give us a call, 1-866-824-4118, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca. And like I said, we're really excited for this product. We hope you are too. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you very much for watching. We look forward to making more videos like this in the future. Have a great day.